Hey guys, welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. Today's video is day 2 of my 20K celebration, and Sassy Mouth Dip Powder has so generously donated a $100 gift card to her shop for one of you guys to win. I'm also going to be showing y'all how to get matte nails with just dip powder liquids. So let's open up all of these goodies. So I chose Frosted Pomegranate, Eucalyptus, and Frosted Pomegranate 2.0. They all have the most gorgeous shimmer in them. My camera is not doing them justice, but they come from her Falling into Winter collection, and as you can see, they are so beautiful and cohesive. Next up is this amazing trio in honor of breast cancer awareness. So a portion of the proceeds from the sales from this trio in the month of October do go to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, which I think is phenomenal. I'm obsessed that she does this. It just goes to show what an incredible small business that she is. All right, y'all, so let's start dipping. I have my peel base on. I know my nails look a little bit blue. I get this comment a lot. I'm freezing, okay? I'm a Floridian. I'm right now stationed in Maryland. So as you can see, I did put my jacket on. It's like 40 degrees out, and don't worry, I'm okay. I'm just cold. My nails just turn blue when I'm cold. But anyways, I do have peel base on. Make sure to follow your normal prep routine as usual. Peel base allows me to pop off my dip powder in 1 to 3 days. I'll be using Revel Nails dip powder liquids today, and I'll teach you how to get matte nails with just dip liquids. I'm gonna go ahead and pour over, not because it stains or not because of anything other than it just gives a clean application. I love the pour over method right now, so you're gonna be seeing me do this a lot more in my videos. You may have noticed I have a new shape. So I did square for a while, and I feel like I lasted a lot longer than I expected. I just can't with the corners chipping. It really drives me nuts. I felt like I was always scratching my kids. The corners are just sharp, so I'm back to round. Who knows how long it'll last? You guys know I change up my shape often, but I am back to round for the fall. Also, I may have accidentally picked some Christmassy colors. I did not mean to do that. I just really loved these two together, but I feel like the matte definitely makes it more fall vibes instead of Christmas. So that is why I thought today's video would be perfect to show you guys how to get matte nails with just your dip powder liquid. So you don't need anything else, no gel, no matte top coat, nothing. I'm just dusting off the excess powder, and then we're going to go in for our second coat. You can see this color is stunning. It is so beautiful. I'm pretty sure it would chrome, and the way I can tell that is because when it's on my skin, I see that shine on there. So I think this would be a beautiful color to chrome as well. So to enter today's celebration, all you have to do is just be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and then comment down below what your favorite thing about October is. This will stay open for 1 week, so good luck, you guys. When it comes to using foil dip powder, you have so many options. You can pour over like I'm doing here. You can lay your nail flat on top. You can dip in. The reason I am pouring over is so that I have better control over where the foil pieces go. So I'm basically just trying to get that solid shimmer shade on my nail, and then I'm gonna hand place the foil pieces. Once it's dry, I'm gonna dust everything off and then hand place. So with my base liquid, I'm just putting it where I like it. I'm gonna pick up those foil pieces and place them. The reason I'm doing this on layer number 1 is because I do see it as a little bit lighter of a base shimmer shade, and that will create a layering effect. So you'll see at the end, you do get to see those first layer foil pieces peeking through, even with the second layer on top. Now I'm going to go in for layer number 2, so another full coat right on top, and we're going to pour the powder over. I'm just gently pressing down those foil pieces, making sure it's laying flat, and repeating the steps for my ring finger nail. Once it's dry, I dust it off and do some more hand placing. So with my base liquid, I'm going to place it in just a few sparse areas and pick up a foil piece and lay it on there. All right, here they are. They are all done. So now it's time to clear encapsulate. I'm going to do a full layer of my base liquid across all of the nails. This is going to protect them when I go to file, shape, and buff, especially because they do have shimmers, and of course these big foil pieces we do not want to ruin when we go to shape. Once it's dry, I dust everything off, and then we're going to activate. With my activator, I'm going to apply a very generous layer of this to all of the nails and then wait 2 minutes and file, shape, and buff off camera. I cannot get over how stunning these colors are. They are so gorgeous, and the way all of them pair in her collection is just chef's kiss. It's amazing. All right, I got these babies into shape, and now we're gonna chat about how to get matte nails. So the next step is going to be applying your activator. So what you can do is stop here. After you apply this second layer of activator, if you wanted, you could absolutely stop here. But I know a lot of you guys want that top coat protection, so I'm gonna show you how to get it with still your dip powder liquids. After 2 minutes have passed, we're going to use a dry napkin to wipe off the top surface of our nails. Then we're going in for our top coat. You're probably thinking, what? Why are we using glossy top coat? I'm going to do 3 quick strokes as my first layer and do that for each of the nails and then let that dry. The reason we're going to do this, you guys, is so that we get that top coat strength. You can absolutely, like I said, stop after the second activator, but if you want a little bit more strength, you can still do your top coat. So once this first layer dries, we go in for that second coat. You're probably thinking, this is exactly the same, Chelsea. What is going on? Why are you doing glossy? Now here's the trick, you guys. After this dries, so we're gonna do our full dip powder routine. After it dries, we're going to buff the top coat off. You're going to basically still get that strength, but we're not gonna have the shine. So if you suffer from gel allergies, you don't want to use a gel matte top coat, or maybe you just don't want to buy any more products, this is going to be a great trick for you. It's very important to make sure it is fully dry before we do this next step so it's not a gummy mess. We're gonna grab our buffing block and then buff off that top coat surface. So just the top, we don't have to go very far. You don't have to push very hard. You're gonna see it's super quick, super easy to do, and make sure you're going all the way to those sidewalls so we have no shiny areas all around your cuticle area again. And then we're going to apply our activator again. So that is how we still keep that top coat strength, but we get that cute matte top coat look for fall. So once you're done buffing all of your nails, you would dust it off and apply your activator. You will see I get an instant mattifying effect. So follow those same steps for all of your nails, and that's it. Very simple, very easy to do, but don't forget your cuticle oil. So Sassy Mouth sent me over this cuticle oil from Candy Skincare, 2 of my favorite companies. It is called Son of a Beach, and it is amazing, you guys. First off, the name is epic, but the scent alone is so scrumptious. It is basically like a tropical cocktail, but for your nails and skin. You guys know I love Candy Skincare products, so seeing them get to collab is great. Of course, I love that. Had to share it with y'all. It is so scrumptious, especially with this colder weather. It definitely gives you summertime feels. All right, y'all, here is my accidental, kind of Christmassy, but still perfect for fall manicure. I hope you found today's video helpful on how to create matte nails with just dip powder liquids. And of course, major shout out to Sassy Mouth Dip Powder. Thank you so much for sponsoring such a generous prize for one of you guys to win. Don't forget to enter down below. I cannot wait to pick a winner so you can go shopping on her website. And thank you guys again for being here. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see y'all next week.